Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dig deep into products and bring you real, hands-on insights. Today, we're talking about the best sleds for adults, a two-pack that's made for serious snow day fun. We're talking about the Superio Toboggan snow sleds, 35 inches long, built for kids and adults, and ready to carve through the snow like a champ. Now let's get into what makes these sleds a top pick. Right out of the box, you'll notice the bright blue color that gives it a fun winter vibe. But this isn't just about looks. These sleds are made from HDPE. That's high-density polyethylene, which gives them the sweet combo of being lightweight and durable. Whether you're dragging it up a hill or zipping down a slope, you'll feel how well built yet easy to carry they are. The size is also just right, 35 inches long and 17 inches wide. This makes it a perfect fit for one rider, whether that's a kid or a full-grown adult who wants to relive their childhood. It's got a low-profile design, just 2 inches tall, which helps keep your center of gravity low while sledding, giving you more control and balance. Now, one of the coolest things about this sled is the bottom design. It's got grooved channels built into the underside. What does that mean for you? Speed. Those grooves bite into the snow and guide the sled in a straight line, giving you that thrilling, fast ride that sledders crave. Whether you're racing your friends or just enjoying the slopes solo, this sled delivers. And when you're done flying down the hill, the Superio sled comes with a built-in pull rope, so you don't have to awkwardly drag it uphill by hand. It's a simple feature, but super practical, especially if you're hauling gear or if your kid wants to ride while you pull. Another plus is the handles. Each sled comes with 2 molded-in side handles. They're not just for holding on, they give you better steering control too. So when you're zooming down a hill and need to shift your weight or steer, these handles give you the grip to do it. Let's talk durability for a second. These sleds are made to withstand the cold and resist cracking, even in freezing temperatures. That means fewer worries about damage during rough rides or storage between seasons. And you're getting not 1, but 2 sleds in this pack. So it's ideal for siblings, friends, or parents and kids wanting to enjoy the snow together. It's also great value, especially when you consider the cost of renting sleds or buying lower quality ones that break after a season. To wrap things up, the Superio Toboggan Snow Sled 2-pack is lightweight, tough, fast, and fun. It's easy to carry, simple to store, and built to last. Whether you're 6 or 60, this sled lets you hit the hills with style and speed. If you're looking for a sled that's ready for winter action and built for adults and kids alike, this might just be your perfect snow day companion. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. And drop a comment if you've tried this sled or have another favorite we should check out. See you next time.